Today I'm going to teach you how to pause and unpause in GameMaker. First things first, you're going to want to add a pause button to your room. So I'm going to create a sprite and object real quick. Now that I've added my resume button and my pause button, I'm going to first add my pause button into the top left of my room. Doesn't really matter where you put it. You just want it to be somewhere on the screen where your player or whoever's playing your game can just easily press that to pause the game. And the next thing I'm going to do is make it so that when I click on my pause button, it's actually just going to pause the game. So I'm going to create a left pressed event. I want to get rid of all this annoying code that no one likes. I don't know why it's there. Let me ask. Do instance deactivate all true. There will be more information about this function in this video's description, but just set it for true for now. And I'm also going to make it so that when I press that, it's going to instance deactivate all, which is going to clear all the instances, just pause them completely. But I'm also going to make it so that when I'm paused, it's going to replace the pause button with the resume button, so it doesn't just get trapped. So what I'm going to do is instance create a layer xy is its current position. Undo the instance layer, which is for me instances, which should be yours too since it's the default and you're a beginner. And I'm going to do resume obj, which is what I named my resume. And after that, I'm going to do instance destroy. Make sure you do this instance create layer before instance destroy, because if you destroy the pause object, you can't really create anything using it. So make sure that's the order. And now what you want to do is take all of this code, just move it on up to the resume button. Same thing as before, left pressed. Just replace all of this. But we're going to make some key differences. Instead of instance deactivate all, we're going to do instance activate all. We're going to get rid of this true. And instead of creating a resume object, we're going to be creating a pause object. And then instance destroy. Okay, so now if we run the game, it should work swimmingly. Okay, so I can move around my character. Now that I pause, everything disappears. I'm trying to move around my character right now, but if I resume, you should see it is in the exact same position as I left it.